In this video, I will show you how to fix Minecraft LAN not working. We will be covering a few methods that can fix this issue for you. But before we get into it, make sure that both you and your friend are connected to the same internet network, because that might be a reason for it not working as well. For the first method, you will need to check if both you and your friend are on the same version. To do that, you should go over to the Minecraft launcher, select this button right here and select latest release on both computers. Now, try and join the LAN world. If it still isn't working, move on to the second method. For the second method, you will need to try out a direct way of connecting to the server. To do that, first off, you will need to start off on the host computer, then press the escape button, then go into open to LAN, press that and press start LAN world. In the chat, you will see numbers that you will need to remember for further down the video. After you have done that, you can press escape and minimize Minecraft. Then go over to the search button on the bottom left part of your screen, press that and write CMD. Then press the application at the top, and after you have done that, in here write IP config and press the enter button. Then you will need to take this IPv4 address right here and note it down. Then you will need to move over to your friend's PC. Now after you have moved over to your friend's PC, you press the multiplayer button right here, then press direct connection, and in here write the IPv4 address, then after it add a colon, and after the colon write the first numbers that we needed to remember that were displayed in the chat. For me it was this number right here, and then you can press join server. If after trying to connect like this it still doesn't work, move over to the next method. For the next method, you will need to disable the private network firewall on both computers. This might be blocking your ability to join the LAN world. Leave it disabled only while playing and then turn it back on. If you leave it off for long periods of time, you might get exposed to malicious content and viruses. To do this, you will need to minimize Minecraft, then go to the bottom left of your screen, press the search button, then write firewall, and open up the application at the top. Now after you have gotten right here, press private network and then press this button right here to turn off the private network firewall. You will need to do this on both PCs as I said previously. After you have finished doing this, you can try and join the server once again. If it still doesn't work, you can move to the next method. For the next method, we will allow Java through the firewall. Our firewall might be blocking Java from properly working, and that's why we can't make the LAN world work. Make sure to repeat this method on both computers. To do this, you will need to navigate to the bottom left of your screen, press the search button right here, then write firewall, and open up the application at the top. Then after you have done this, you will need to press this button right here, allow an app through firewall, and after this opens up, you will need to navigate to the top and press the button called change settings. After you have done that, scroll down and look for Java. And here we have Java TM Platform SE binary and Java W. Make sure that you have selected the private checkbox on all of them. And after you have done that, you press the OK button. Now you can try joining the server once again and see if it works. If it still doesn't, you can move over to the next method. Now, for the last method, we will need to make sure that we have set our network to private. Setting it to private allows your world to be discovered by other computers on your network. Now you will need to minimize Minecraft, then go to the bottom left of your screen and press the search button, in there write network status and open up the application at the top. After you have gotten right here, you press properties and then you make sure that you have set this to private. Check this on both computers. Now you can go back to Minecraft and try joining the server once again. That is it for this video. I hope you made it work. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.